Rod's Media Network would like to thank the Dad's Day Out sponsors. Without their help, our show would not have been possible. Rooster's Rod Shop, Pinups and Pumps Florida, Second Chance Rides, Florida Exotic Realty Group, and Quaker Steak and Lube.
We on the edge of mass destruction. We on the edge of the unknown. We on the edge of Armageddon. We ain't never coming home.
Contestant number 4, we have Bibbidi Bobbidi Betty. Fun fact about her, that was until she was 8 years old, her mother used to bake cakes for large events like weddings and such. And she was under the impression that all her mom had to do was just push a button on her oven and the whole cake came out complete as it was.
looking for me. I ain't looking for trouble. It looking for me. I ain't looking for Jesus. He's looking for me. I ain't looking for trouble.